Waste management. Welcome to the world of waste management. Play your role in Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, a clean India mission. Everything around us is either biodegradable or non-biodegradable. Things that can be quickly broken up by microorganisms and returned to nature in a simple form are called biodegradable substances. They do not pollute the environment. Things that do not get broken down by the action of microorganisms and stay in our environment for hundreds of years are called non-biodegradable substances. They pollute the environment. Moving on to the waste we create. The wastes we create can be classified mainly into 6 different types: food and garden wastes, paper and cardboard wastes, glass wastes, hazardous wastes, metal wastes, textile wastes. If we leave these lying around in a pile, we will be polluting our environment. This looks unpleasant and can cause sickness and allergies. To manage these wastes, we need to first learn to segregate or sort them before disposing or handing them over to the municipality. Different garbage bins may be used so that the garbage is segregated into the right bin for easy disposal. We can sort out common household waste into 3 main types: wet waste, dry waste, hazardous waste. Wet waste include food and garden wastes. These are also called organic wastes. Some examples are vegetable and fruit peels, spoiled fruits and vegetables, bones, egg, shells, leaves, flowers, used tea and coffee powder, spoiled cooked food, and so on. Dry wastes include plastics, glass, textiles. Some examples of these are plastic bags, aerosol cans, plastic bottles, aluminum cans, foil, broken toys, takeaway containers, Tetra Pak thermocol, paper plates, and so on. Hazardous wastes include batteries, broken glass, chemicals, paints, aerosol sprays, medicines, electronic parts, and such. Others. These have to be carefully handed over to the municipality workers for disposal. What happens to our waste is interesting to know. Garbage is collected from different places by the government workers. The waste are taken by trucks and dumped in ditches called landfills located in identified areas. Once the ditches are full, it is covered with soil and left that way for many years. Incineration is another way by which cities get rid of garbage. This is done by burning garbage in big furnaces called incinerators. The biodegradable wastes are used for making manure by composting. Waste is dumped in large pits covered with soil and left that way for many years. Incineration is another way by which cities get rid of garbage. This is done by burning garbage in big furnaces called incinerators. The biodegradable wastes are used for making manure by composting. Waste is dumped in large pits, covered with soil and left for many days for it to rot and transform into manure or compost.